What is this one?
Puzzle.
Can you open it? What is it?
Hockey skates.
Careful of the blade, buddy. Careful of the blade. You're touching the blade.
Do you love them?
Mama was skating them.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go skating, aren't we?
Mama, this one.
Let's put them by your shin guards. What's that? You know what it is? Hockey gloves. Yeah, with your just go skating.
You are so lucky.
Like a big hockey guy goes skating.
Let me have that.
Yeah. Now you have all the gear like Rowan.
Mom's playing this puzzle with you. Where's the opening?
I'll open it for you.
You want to try on your gloves, see if they fit?
Where's not working?
I'll open it for you, sweetheart. Come here.
That's puzzle, the ankle puzzle.
Yeah, baseball Diego puzzle. Perfect, Santa.
Perfect, Mommy and Daddy.
Santa really must be watching you a lot because he knows exactly what you like, doesn't he? You like baseball, you like golf, you like hockey. There you go, it's open now.
Mom's a puzzle with you, Daddy.
Okay.
Let this one go, Daddy. Go there, Daddy, yeah.
Yeah, the corner. I think it goes in this corner.
Where'd this one go, Daddy?
Look together.
Where'd this one go?
I know the corners first.
Yeah, go right there.